Dear students, welcome back. As you know that we are doing statistics, and in the previous class I told you about how to find the mean of grouped data. I told you there are three different methods of finding out mean of group data. The first method is the direct method. The second method is the shortcut method, and the third one is the step deviation method. This year, step deviation method is not in your syllabus of class 10th. So I told you about direct method and shortcut method. Now today I'll start with one more example of mean, and then we'll continue with the median. So the example of mean is as follows. The question is, number of heartbeats per minute and number of women. Okay, so this number of women is actually the frequency. This is your question number 4 from exercise 14.1 of NCERT book. Now, the number of heartbeats per minute, 65 to 68, then 68 to 71, then 71 to 74, then 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, and 83 to 86. And the number of women, that is the frequency, is 2, 4, 3, 8, 742, 742. That is the frequency. So first of all, we will add the frequencies, means we will find sigma f. I told you sigma means the summation. So sigma f, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 3 9, 9 plus 8 is 17 and 7 24 and 4 28 and 2 30. So you can see we are getting sigma f as 30. Now first of all we will find the mid value of each class. You know, to find the mid value of each class, first you add these two, lower limit and the upper limit. So 65 plus 68 will be 133, and now divide it by 2. So 133 by 2 will be 66.5. So the mid value here is 66.5. Then same 68 plus 71 upon 2 will be 69.5. And now you simply add 3. 69 plus 3 72.5, then 75.5, then 78.5, then 81.5, and then 84.5. These are the mid values of each class. Now we denote it by x. This is x, and that is frequency, that is number of women. Now you know, in the direct method we form a table fx, but these numbers, it is difficult to multiply these numbers with corresponding frequencies. So here we are going to apply shortcut method. Okay, so for shortcut method I told you, you take the middle one, the middle value. So here it is the middle value. So take middle value as the assumed mean. So assumed mean is here is 75.5. Okay, so this is the assumed mean. We have assumed, I told you, out of the values of x, you can take any value as assumed mean, but it is convenient to take the middle value as the assumed mean. That makes the calculations easy. Now, first of all, you make a table D, that is the deviation, which is equal to x minus a. Means from each value of x, you have to subtract the assumed mean. So 66.5 minus 75.5 will be minus 9. 66.5 minus 75.5 will be minus 9. Clear? Then 69.5 minus 75.5 will be minus 6. Then 72.5 minus 75.5 will be minus 3. Then it is 0. Then 78.5 minus 75.5 will be 3. Then 6 and then 9. Okay. So now it is very easy to multiply f and d, because now you have to make a table f into d. So when you make the table f into d, so 2 into minus 9, minus 18, 4 into minus 6, minus 24, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, then 0, 7 into 3, 21, 4 into 6, 24, and 2 into 9 is 18. Now you have to find sigma FD. Now to find sigma, now you see minus 18 plus 18 cancels out, minus 24 plus 24 cancels out. Now 21 minus 9, 21 minus 9 is 12. So sigma FD will be 12. Value of sigma FD is 12. Now I told you the formula for mean. In this case, that is the shortcut method. It is a plus sigma FD upon sigma f. Okay, a plus sigma FD upon sigma f, where a is the assumed mean, which is 75.5 here, plus sigma FD is 12 and sigma f is 30. Clear? Sigma FD is 12 and sigma f is 30. First you cancel it by 3. Now 4 by 10 means 0.4. So 75.5 plus 0.4 will be 75.9. So your answer will be 75.9. That is your answer. The mean or the average heartbeats per minute is 75.9. Clear? So this is an example of a mean by shortcut method. Now I am going to tell you about the median. Now, in the junior classes, you have studied about median by for ungrouped data. So, just as a recap, suppose the values given, the numbers given are 22, 14, 17, 6, 11, 8, 13, 15, 25. Okay, so there are a few numbers written over there, and now they are saying find the median of these numbers. So the first thing, you have to arrange them in ascending order. So the lowest value is 6. So first of all you write down. So first of all you have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means the smallest the first. So the smallest is 6. So you write down 6. Then is 8. So you write 8. Then is 11. So you write down 11. Then is 13. So you write down 13. 14. Then 15. Then 17. And then 22 and then 25. Okay? 22, 20. So you must count that you have written all the numbers or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 questions are there in this ascending order also. Now, how many numbers are there? How many items are there? It is 9. And 9 is an odd number. So when odd number of items are there, so how to find the mean or the median? So as n is odd, n means number of items. So as n is odd, so median will be equal to n plus 1 by 2th term from the beginning. Okay, means if n is odd, then simply add 1 to it, it will become even, then divide it by 2. Whatever number you get, that term from the beginning will be the median. So here n was 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2th term. Okay. Now 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 by 2 is 5. So fifth term from the beginning. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 is the fifth term from the beginning. So median will be equal to 14 and that is your answer. Because 14 is the fifth term from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After arranging the numbers in ascending order, count the fifth term from the beginning and that will be the median. Clear? And now, one more example. Suppose the numbers given are 2, 7, 5, 8, 3, 9, 12, 4, 6, and say 1. Okay, and now you have to find the median of these numbers. One more example. So first of all, as I told you, I will arrange these numbers in ascending order. So the smallest number here is 1. Okay, then the number is 2, then it is 3, then 4, 5, then it is 6, then 7, 8, 9, and then 12. So again you count how many numbers are given in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you see, have you written all the 10 numbers in ascending order or not? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now as there are even numbers of terms, see here the number of terms was odd, so I told you a formula. Now there are even number of terms, then the formula becomes C as n is even, So median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. Okay, the median will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. Now first of all, how many terms are there? I said 10. So 10 upon 2 is 5. That means the 5th term plus 5 plus 1, 6th term means the next term, 6th term by 2. Okay, 5th term plus 6th term by 2. Now the 5th term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th term, I'm sorry, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th term is 5 and the 6th term is 6. So it will be 5 plus 6 by 2. So 5.5 is your answer. Your answer is 5.5. Clear? So this is the median of ungrouped data. Now I am going to tell you the median of group data. Now I will first of all to find the median of a group data, I will give you an example. See, the marks obtained in a test 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and then 90 to 100. Okay, 90 to 100. Now, okay, now the frequency given is means how many students got marks in this range. So the frequency given is 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 8. 7, 9, 7. That is the frequency. Okay. So now first, now we have to find the median of this distribution. First of all, you have to make another table, and which is called the cumulative frequency. CF means the cumulative frequency. Now what we do? First, in front of 5 you write down 5 only. Now 5 plus 3 you write down 8 here. Now 8 plus 4 you write down 12 here. 12 plus 3 you write down 15 here. 15 plus 3 you write down 18 here. 18 plus 4 you write down 22 here. 22 plus 7 is 29, you write down 29 here. 29 plus 9 is 38, so you write down 38 here. 38 plus 7. 38 plus 7 will be 45, and 45 plus 8 is 53. Okay, so you just see the frequencies are 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 8, and cumulative frequency, first one same, then this plus this here, then this plus this, and so on. Clear? Now the total numbers are 53. Total frequency is 53. The last number will give you the total frequency. The total frequency is 53, and now 53 upon 2. So 53 upon 2 will be 26.5. Now you see, here it is 12, it is 15, it is 18, it is 22. Now it is up to 22 and it is up to 29. That means 26.5 lies in it. I repeat, 53 is the total frequency. Now divide it by 2. So 53 upon 2 will be 26.5. Now this class is up to 5, this class is up to 8, this class is up to 12, this class is up to 15, this is up to 18, this is up to 22 and this is up to 29. That means 26.5 lies in this class. So this is called the medial class. Okay. This is called the medial class. This is called the medial class. So once you get the medial class, the formula for median here is L1 plus L2 minus L1 upon F n by 2 minus C. Now let me tell you the meaning of the symbols here. L1 is the lower limit of the medial class. Lower limit of medial class. Then L2. L2 is upper limit of the medial class. Okay. Then F, frequency of the medial class. Okay. F is the frequency of medial class. Now N is equal to sigma F, that is sum of frequencies. N is actually sum of frequencies. And the C is the cumulative frequency of pre-medial class. C is the cumulative frequency of pre-medial class. Means the class which is previous to the medial class, its cumulative frequency. Now we will simply put the values here so that we can get the median. L1, you can see this 60. Now L2 minus L1, 70 minus 60. F is 7. 7 is the frequency. Then N by 2 means 53 by 2 minus C. C is 22. Okay. Minus, you can see cumulative frequency of pre-medial class here is 22. Now what happens? 60 plus 70 minus 60 is 10. 10 upon 7. And then here you take 2 LCM. So 53 minus 44. 53 minus 44 will be 9. So you write 9 here. Okay. So you can cancel it by 2. And once again you take 7 LCM. So 420 plus 45. Okay. 420 plus 45. 420 plus 45 is 465. So 465 by 7. 465 by 7. Now you divide it. Then median will be equal to it is almost 66.43 and that is your answer. The median is almost 66.43. Always remember, when you calculate median, at the end you check whether it lies in the medial class or not. The median must lie between 60 to 70 because the medial class was 60 to 70. So this is the formula and this is the method how we can find the median of group data. So in the next class, we'll continue. We'll do few more sums as practice on medium. Thank you.